I have multiple sclerosis. I did fall about a year and a half ago and I broke my hip. The surgeon that I went to at the time gave us a choice. We could either have a pinning surgery or we could have done a total hip replacement. Unfortunately, the bone started dying. They did x-rays and they told us I had this necrosis and that, I would have to have a total hip replacement. So I did quite a bit of research. I looked at places in Omaha and Columbus, and so I met with Dr. Rickert, and I was very impressed with his manner and the way he listened to me. I decided to go with Dr. Rickert. I'm better now than before I broke my hip. It just seems like a miracle. So I would absolutely recommend him. I can't say enough about him. When I needed a hip replacement, I had faith.